Hey girls, so I'm going to be doing my first wash and go of 2018, and I'm excited to say for my very first wash and go, I'm going to be using EcoStyler Gold. I'm super excited. It'll be my first time using it, my first wash and go of the year, so perfect timing for this. As you guys have probably seen, because it has been out for a while, it is a max 10 hold and a max 10 shine, and I'm expecting my hair to look bomb because all the reviews I've seen have been really good. So this particular EcoStyler has olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil, as well as flaxseed, which are all great ingredients. So overall, the gel is pretty good. It's pretty affordable. This particular one was $7.99 at my local beauty supply store. It apparently promotes hair growth. I don't know about that. I'd stick with deep conditioner if I was you. And then for my leave-in, I'm going to be using Maui Moisture, and I haven't tested the products together yet. As you can see, there's still a seal over this tub, so I haven't done the mixture test. So before I even apply it to my hair, I will be combining the two products, making sure it doesn't clump or lump and that it goes smoothly into each other, which will provide the perfect union and make sure that I don't get residue or buildup or flaking or any of that stuff that I don't need. As you know, I am low porosity, so my hair has a hard time absorbing products. So when I do use a leave-in on top, well, a leave-in under a gel, I really have to make sure that they pair well together. So I also have very dense hair, so it will take me quite some time to get through my whole head. I have a spray bottle of water to help me re-wet each section as it dries. Okay, so I've done my first tiny section, and so far my first impressions are I'm a little surprised it's not as thick as I thought it would be, and it's not coating my hair as much as I thought it would. So I am using more product than I thought I would. It is a pretty thick consistency, but when I'm applying it to my hair, I feel like, should I apply more? Like, I feel like I keep having to apply more to get the definition that I'm expecting. So we'll see, but so far, I don't know. I'm not sure. I will hold my opinion till the end. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, so I have done my whole head, and girl, my arms are tired. I started this around 1 o'clock. It is now 4 o'clock. Like I told you, I have high density, fine strands, low porosity, and I'm very embarrassed to say this, but I use this whole damn tub, like the whole thing. So last summer when I did my wash and goes, I think I used half a tub. Now I use a whole tub. I mean, I don't know if I'm just rusty. It's been a while since I've done my hair. Maybe, well, also in the consistency, like I said, I felt like it was a little watery. It wasn't as thick as I'm used to, so I may have used more than necessary, but also I have a lot of hair. I still don't know how I feel about this Eco Style Gold. I'm not a huge fan as of yet. I think I'm still gonna reserve my opinion until my hair is fully dried. Okay girl, so this is my day one hair using the Eco Styler Gold. I would say there's nothing really spectacular about this gel. I mean, it's pretty basic. They have better gels in my opinion. Also, I'm not too happy with the Maui moisture as a leave-in. So the gel didn't wow me, Maui moisture didn't wow me. I think I need to try it again using a different leave-in. So this is the result at this point, my day one, first 2018 wash and go. And I give it a 6 out of 10.
Lead them from temptation, make them royalty. All the things we face and make us question it. Lead us to salvation, pour that oil, please. That's how we become kings.